Blogs are one of the best ways to drive traffic to a website, whether it's a corporate website, directory, or online shop. By adding great content to your blog regularly, you will provide useful resources to visitors and publish more pages for search engines to index. When you first blog about your online shop, generating traffic is the biggest challenge always. However, once you've overcome this hurdle, your blog gains exposure and attracts regular readers. High-quality articles generate more incoming links to your website, strengthening your brand and increasing loyalty from readers, existing customers, or potential customers. High-quality articles are more likely to be read and shared by others. Do not look at a blog simply as a way of increasing the number of indexable pages of your website. You need to focus on producing quality content. Steady traffic to your blog relies almost completely on the content you write. If you write a blog about your new product, for example, always write the most interesting, relevant content pertaining to that product. Give readers a reason to go to your website and purchase your product. If initial readers enjoyed the blog and the product, they may link to it or tell others to pay a visit. Remember, the more targeted your visitors are, the more likely they are to purchase your products and services. So focus on quality and forget about the cheap traffic that merely inflates traffic statistics. Blogging is not a one-way street. A blog gives you the opportunity to get to know your readers better and vice versa. One of the best places to connect with readers is through the comment area. After they've read your article, readers might have some questions that need to be answered. And that's the time where you come in to solve their problems. By answering questions and responding to readers' ideas, you can demonstrate your knowledge of a subject and build a relationship with potential customers. If you can help your visitors in some way, they'll be thankful and are more likely to subscribe to your blog, share your content, and become a loyal customer. The topics you cover on your blog will influence the kind of people who read your articles. If you publish many basic tutorials on the subject, you'll attract a lot of beginners. Likewise, if you publish advanced tutorials, you are more likely to attract people with more experience on the subject. Therefore, headlines are one of the most important parts of your content. Without a compelling headline, even the most comprehensive blog post will go unread. Master the art of headline writing. For example, the writers at BuzzFeed and Upworthy often concoct 20 different headlines before finally settling on the one that will drive the most traffic. Thus, think carefully about your headline before you hit publish. Next is to write consistently to keep your blog up to date. There are varying thoughts as to how frequently you should publish articles on a blog. Most high-traffic news blogs publish multiple times per day, as more news equates to more traffic. However, most businesses publish a few times per week or a few times per month. I would suggest that you aim for a minimum of once a week. Ideally, the more the better. But if you're running a business at the same time, it's difficult to publish more often without hiring writers. Search engines love frequently updated sites, but more importantly, users do as well. A site that's updated consistently tells users you are serious about providing good content, which makes it worthy for them to invest their time into reading it. In order to help you organize your blog better, it's worthwhile to schedule 1 or 2 weeks of articles in advance. Not preparing articles in advance will make your blog more susceptible to your blog publishing frequency being disrupted due to unforeseen circumstances. Almost no one will find your blog if you don't promote it. When you initially set up your blog, you probably won't be able to find it on most search engines, even if you search for it by name. Promoting a blog effectively can be the difference between a dead blog and a successful blog. If you've got money to invest in your blog, you could develop your blog quicker by growing your social media presence and advertising on other websites. Guest blogging is a two-way street. In addition to posting content to other blogs, invite people in your niche to blog on your own site. They are likely to share and link to their guest article, which could bring new readers to your site. Just be sure that you only post high-quality, original content without spamming links. Competitions are also a great way of letting readers promote your blog for you. Competition services such as Rafflecopter allow people to enter a competition by sharing your article on Twitter or Facebook. Entries can also be made by commenting on your blog or signing up to your email newsletter. Another way to promote your blog is to leave a link to it whenever you post a comment to an article or on a forum. Visit and comment on other people's blogs that have a topic similar to yours. Commenting on popular blogs is a technique that many bloggers use to promote their new blog. While this can raise awareness of your blog, it's rarely that it's the most effective use of a blogger's time. Besides your own blog posts, you could make a good use of famous bloggers. This is only if you have a high budget to spend, as it won't be a small amount to ask for some famous blogger to blog about your product on their blogs. However, they would help you to gain a lot more traffic than posting on your own blog. Popular bloggers already have their own loyal readers. People would definitely find their blog posts more convincing and impactful. You can even try and ask them to promote your product on their own social media account, such as Instagram or Facebook too. This is because people nowadays are more attracted to Instagram and Facebook because social media is easier to access and more popular among non-bloggers.